We are the Electric Shepherd. I am Austin Southwick.
I'm Daniel Kane.
I'm Jacob Rigby.
I'm Andrew Bergen.
Taylor Jackson.
I'm Jeremy Haslam, and this is our project. Our project is to make a bionic sheep decoy, something that will be able to be put in the field and be put with a herd of sheep and prevent predators from attacking those sheep. It needs to be able to withstand a minimum of 2 attacks. It needs to be less than $2,500 so that it's financially responsible for a livestock owner. It needs to be able to actually shock something that is attacking it and not shock things that aren't attacking it, so it can't be dangerous. And it needs to look and act a lot like a sheep, so that it's realistic and something will understand that it is a sheep and that it should not be attacking sheep anymore.
To help achieve our user-defined requirements, we decided to make the sheep primarily out of PVC so that it's strong enough but also easily maintained while it's out in the field. Ideally, the farmer will only need a couple of tools to be able to replace any parts that have damaged. But to help minimize parts that need to be maintained, we've added springs to the bottom of the sheep legs to help absorb some of that force that the cougar will put on the sheep. To help attract the cougars, we've added motors to different parts of the sheep to help make it actually act like a sheep. So our neck is controlled by a 4-bar linkage, so it'll move up and down to about the horizontal position. The ears wiggle back and forth, and the tail also flicks back and forth. These parts are also made out of 3D prints to help it look more realistic. And when the cougar actually does attack this sheep, there's an accelerometer that will trigger a response to the shock system, and the shock system is basically an electric fence that's wrapped around the sheep. So the cougar will attack it, the sheep will absorb the force through the springs, the shock system will be triggered from the accelerometer, and the cougar will be zapped, and hopefully this will help train the cougars to not attack the livestock.
In closing, we'd like to thank our sponsors from the USDA, Dr. Julie Young and Dr. David Stoner, as well as our faculty mentor, Dr. Stephen Whitmore.